Hi, I'm Kamini Patel and I've been vegetarian. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications for my new videos. Today's recipe is going to be a fresh methi salad that's a perfect addition to your thali. I'm going to start by heating the oil in my pan. So I need about a tablespoon. Now that my oil is heated, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of chopped ginger and half a teaspoon of hing. So my ginger is cooked through. I'm going to switch off the heat, and this is where I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey and the juice of 2 lemons. Just want to stir it to combine. Add some black pepper powder. And then we add some salt. So my dressing is all done now. I'm just going to let it cool slightly. Until then, I'm going to prepare my fresh methi. I'm going to add toasted sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons. And 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts, also toasted. Just give it a toss. So my salad is ready. So my dressing has cooled down enough, so I'm ready to pour it in. So if you're making this beforehand, I recommend pouring the dressing in just before serving. So there you have it, the perfect, fresh, healthy methi salad. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to I've Been Vegetarian.